Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly consider subscribing. And the stage was set, the crowd was roaring, and history was about to unfold in the women's 4x100 relay. Jamaica came in with the world's fastest sprinters, but the USA had the fire in their eyes and teamwork on their side. What followed shocked fans across the globe, a showdown of speed, power and precision that left Jamaican stunned and the USA celebrating one of their greatest victories on the track. Let's break down how the American women dethroned the queens of sprinting. So guys, let's watch the clip and come back for more. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so.
The last leg, and South Africa in lane number 2. Alphaman on first, Wendenell on last. Women's 4x400 meter relay. McPherson, who won the individual 400 on the final leg for Jamaica. Second in the individual 400, Floria Gui brings them home for France, and Courtney Akolo, fifth in the individual 400 metres, brings the USA team home. South Africa, Jamaica, France, Poland, Great Britain, Northern Ireland, United States of America and Germany. The final female track action on day 1 of this Athletics World Cup. Expect Jamaica, Great Britain, USA to be strong. So another clean start under the floodlights of the London Stadium. Zoe Clark running well for Great Britain and Northern Ireland in lane number 6. Day of Jamaica going well in lane number 3. The Jamaicans were going so well here last year in the World Championships, but an injury to their second leg runner put hopes to any medal that the Jamaican team could win. Thomas going well for the USA in lane number 7. The first leg run completely in lanes. So down the home straight for the first time in this women's 4x4. Poland putting themselves in a good position. When the stagger unwinds, Poland are in a great position here on their first leg. America though holding on with Thomas in lane number 7. Let's see who's ahead of the changeover. They hold the batons high, the incoming runner goes out, and I think Poland are edging this one in this women's 4x4.
Yeah, very good leg there from Holland Kovalik of Poland on the opening leg. Although the USA's outgoing runner, incoming runner rather, Breonna Thomas, the first leg runner, ran strongly, and she's handed over to Kiana Horton on this second leg, who leads marginally, but brilliant running here from the Poles, 2 in 3rd place. These 3, you could almost throw a blanket over them, couldn't you?
So a little bit of a breakaway here. USA, Jamaica, Poland, the individual 400 meter runner Russell storming down the home straight here. Great Britain and Northern Ireland running well into 2nd or 3rd position here. This is good running by the British team, but a virtually identical handover. Jamaica and the USA. Got to get on that inside line. You don't want to be running further. Expect the American athlete to cut inside down the back straight, and the Jamaican does as well. Jamaica leading the USA. Vanette Agyepong for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, currently in 3rd position for the British team. The long blonde hair of the American onto the shoulder of the Jamaican, looking to get the baton over. The athlete who's incoming looks down the home straight. The next leg runner is put in position at the 200 meter mark. Wherever their athlete is, they're not allowed to move. So now coming into the final changeover, this women's 4x4.
Yes, good leg this from the American Kiana Horton. She hands over by with about a 4 meter lead there from Jamaica. The rest of them go through with Britain locked together with Poland. I think Poland just getting the 3rd spot as they hand it over there. That's a separate battle from this up front, really, with a full-blooded contest between the Americans and the Jamaicans, or the USA beginning to ease away. That's a gap of about 4 meters with 200 to run.
So Baumgartner of Poland and Diamond of Great Britain battling for the 3rd position, but it's the USA, the familiar baton-holding style of the American team, but it's so much easier to chase than to lead. Jamaica on a charge with McPherson Anderson. We have France in the left of his shot coming into a podium finish. France are going to get on the podium here, but look at the battle. Is it going to be France? Is it going to be Jamaica? Can she get inside? Oh! 3:24.28.
Welcome back once again, guys. I hope you have all watched the whole race, and it has been a very, very interesting race. From the very first exchange, the tension was electric. Jamaican, known for their sprinting dominance, had the world watching. But the USA came prepared. The opening leg set the tone, with a powerful start that immediately put America in front. Smooth baton passes became the game changer. While Jamaica struggled with slight hesitations, the American executed with flawless precision, each handoff slicing through the track like clockwork. On the backstretch, the Jamaican speed threatened to close the gap, but the USA refused to be intimidated. Their second and third legs were pure strength, maintaining the lead against some of the fastest women alive. By the final exchange, it was clear the Americans were not just running, they were sending a message. The anchor stormed down the track, leaving the Jamaican crowd in disbelief and American fans on their feet. This wasn't just a race, it was a statement. The USA women proved that strategy, chemistry, and execution can topple even the most legendary sprinting nation. And there you have it. The USA women 4x100 team shocking the world and silencing doubts with victory over Jamaican sprint queens. But for the precision, teamwork, and sheer determination it took to win, what do you think will dominate the next showdown? Jamaica bouncing back or USA continuing their reign? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and let's debate it out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss another epic track and field moment. Until next time, stay fast, stay passionate, and keep celebrating the beauty of sprinting.